What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStart Reviews and Healthy Well Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing ozone therapy. Now, ozone therapy can be administered in many different forms, and it has a lot of different conflicting ideas if you look it up online. And that's why I decided to make this video, to clear the noise, to clear the confusion, and to give you a practical understanding of how ozone therapy works and the benefits, dangers, risks, pros and cons of ozone therapy. So I actually watched this news clip online before this video, and they were saying that they were closing down ozone therapy clinics in Australia due to it being an unregulated medical practice. Now, let me describe what ozone actually is. It's in our atmosphere, it's in our environment. It's sort of like sunshine. The ozone layer is literally outside. You go outside and you're exposed to this unregulated element of ozone. So ozone is simply oxygen with one added oxygen atom. So oxygen is O2, ozone is O3. And this is done through an electrical machine that splits the oxygen atom to create O2 to O3. So it's a very simple process to make oxygen into an O3 form, which is ozone. And then this allows your body to utilize that ozone for therapeutic value or potential. Now, with that being said, I have personally had an ozone therapy machine. I had this 7-8 years ago, something like that. And I did it, different types of ozone therapy that I literally did ozone insufflation into my body directly. And I have inhaled it through an ozone bubbler, which goes through olive oil, which makes it ozonized, which is a form of ozone that you can actually inhale because you can't inhale ozone directly. That's actually very toxic and dangerous. But you can drink ozone water, you can consume ozonated olive oil, you can consume ozonated, in this case, this is ozonated olive oil capsules. They also ozonate glycerin, which glycerin that is used topically for skin and things like that. So ozone therapy is simply an oxygen type of therapy. That's the way I sort of describe it. Ozone is just simply a more oxidative form of oxygen. But with that, think of it like a donor molecule. So that O3, when it goes into the body, it's breaking down and that extra oxygen atom becomes an oxygen donor molecule. And what that means is that your body can then utilize that oxygen as your body sees fit and where it's needed. So your blood, your circulation, your hemoglobin, which is within your red blood cells, is what transports oxygen throughout your body. The more oxygenated your body is, the better those red blood cells are transferred and move throughout the body. The improved circulation, which then transports a lot of nutrients along with it. Your gut health is affected because different microbes, pathogens, viruses, bacteria, so on and so forth, are affected by oxygen or ozone. This actually kills those things. So personally, I can say from my own personal objective experience that ozone therapy is actually very valuable, despite what the news in Australia says or despite what the government says. Like I said, ozone is in our environment, it's in our atmosphere, it's outside. We need to stop listening to these crazy news stories telling us that we can't go outside and breathe the air. It's like saying the sun is unregulated, we should regulate it. Like, what are we even talking about? It's absolutely ridiculous. So ozone is literally a part of our environment. It's a deodorizer, it's a cleaner. It helps to remove pathogens, viruses, bacteria, things like this. It helps with autoimmunity, it helps with gut health. In fact, I would argue ozone therapy is one of the most valuable things you can possibly do for the health of your gut and cleaning out things in it. And I know this firsthand because when I administered ozone therapy into my body directly, I would have off-gassing. And what that means is my body would have, not off-gassing, my body would have die-off. Die-off means that the bacteria, fungus, whatever it may be in my gut is literally dying, and when I pass a stool or pass something out of my body, it smells bad. So it's killing those bad things. And most people just live with these fungal infections and bacteria and mold and viruses, and the media is like, no, ozone therapy is dangerous, keep all this stuff. Meanwhile, the person reporting the news isn't even healthy. It works incredibly well. Like, there's no part of me that would say to someone, don't try ozone therapy. It is very valuable as long as you're doing it in a way that you understand, you can utilize it. So the machines work great because you buy the machine one time, you get an oxygen tank that connects to the machine The oxygen O2 goes through the machine, it becomes O3, which turns into ozone, and then you can administer that through your ears. You can inhale it through your nose through an olive oil bubbler, which converts it into ozonides, which then is bioavailable and able for you to breathe because it's not too oxidative. You can't inhale ozone directly, it's too strong. You can make water out of it, olive oil, which you can actually drink or eat, essentially, add it to your food. You just don't want to heat it up because that destroys the ozone. You can also, as a woman, utilize it vaginally, or a woman or a man can rectally insufflate it into their body, right directly into their colon. So, and then you can put it into oils like glycine or like olive oil and apply that topically on your skin or in your hair, or it can even be put into capsules and taken through a pill form. So there's many different ways to utilize ozone therapy. There's many different ways to get this oxygen related therapy into your body. And for me personally, what I experience every time I do ozone therapy is that I notice a die-off effect, which means I need to do it more because it's literally killing the bad things in my gut and in my body that need to be gone. So, you know, in terms of that, I notice my gut health improves, my digestive health improves, whatever is in my body, like any bugs, any pathogens, it's like ozone therapy just attacks it like nothing else does. I can't even compare it really to anything else. I mean, I take like strong oregano, I take a lot of different immune formulas and gut health supplements, but ozone is just stronger and it's more impactful. So if you have any bugs in your gut issues, any gut health issues whatsoever, I recommend ozone capsules at the very least, or investing in a machine for yourself, because the machine gives you the ability to buy it one time and utilize that for life. You just have to refill your oxygen tank once it runs out and then utilize that. So these capsules, this is from a company called Simply O3. This is also Simply O3. They sell ozone machines that you can buy, so you can invest into it one time and utilize that for life, which I recommend, especially if you have multiple people in your household, a family, things like that. Or if you just want to test it out, get the capsules. Get the capsules and see how they work for you. I can tell you, like I said, from my firsthand experience, it really helps your gut health. If you have autoimmune issues, gut health issues, anything like that, it is going to make an impact, because oxygen is the most important nutrient that your body needs for life. There is literally not one other nutrient higher in terms of the pyramid hierarchy of nutrients that is more valuable than oxygen for your health. You die faster than anything without oxygen. So getting more oxygen into your body, and this is an oxygen therapy, it's a therapeutic way to get more oxygen into your body, is valuable because it supports the health of your blood, the health of your lungs, the health of your immune system, the health of your gut, the health of your lymphatic system, the health of your brain, the health of everything at a cellular level, at a sort of micro level, to a macro level in terms of systems, brain health, cardiovascular health, gut health. It helps your mitochondria, which produces ATP, which gives your body energy, and so much more. There's literally nothing negative I could say about ozone therapy except for don't inhale it directly if you buy a machine. That is the only advice I would give you. Or don't leave your machine running in your home and just don't inhale the gas. If you run it through an olive oil bubbler, however, you can inhale that, and it really helps to clear your sinuses. If you have pressure in your forehead or in your nose, mucus, phlegm, it really helps with that. If you have ear issues, you can put it in your ears. If you have gum, teeth, mouth issues, you can put it in your mouth. If you have gut issues, you can put it in rectally. If you have vaginal health issues, you can put it right into your, yeah. I'm not gonna say that word too many times, it's weird. So with that being said, I honestly highly recommend ozone therapy. I believe personally, as a biohacker, it's one of the most valuable things that you can do. And a lot of people, like myself, I do hydrogen water, right? And hydrogen water is great, and I recommend hydrogen water. I feel like a nice boost of energy with hydrogen water. However, it doesn't do as much for my gut health as ozone therapy does. I personally feel like hydrogen is really beneficial for giving me a boost of energy and just sort of helping my body stay hydrated, which is great. But ozone therapy is more of a gut, immunity, lymphatic, lung, blood health formula, and it just simply works. I really like the glycine as well. You apply that topically for different things, but try the capsules. If you do anything, try the capsules from Simply O3. Like I said, you can get a machine or capsules. I'll link it up below with a discount code. And if you want to learn more about ozone therapy and all of the many benefits of ozone therapy, watch this video right here. That is, I believe it's the #1 rated biohack for biohackers to improve your health, optimize your energy, your gut health, all the functions of your being. So check out that video. And check out Simply Oil 3 in the description. And if you want to get discounts on 30 different health and wellness brands that have been vetted by me, a health and wellness coach, check out the link healthywildfree.com/shop below, and that will give you access to all of these different brands and products that I've personally vetted. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to leave your comments and questions about ozone therapy below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.